Every day, media organizations generate terabytes of broadcast content, and most of it either stored chaotically or deleted too soon. Limited storage forces teams to choose: delete old footage, manually manage archives, or pay endlessly for unoptimized storage. When footage is needed for compliance, audits, or disputes, it's often gone. This is where Analysys Scalable Storage changes everything. Analysys automatically maintains a rolling archive of broadcast content, days, weeks, or months based on your needs. Smart compression reduces storage costs, while automated lifecycle management keeps archives clean, searchable, and compliant. No manual deletion, no lost footage, no storage chaos. Just secure, scalable, always available media archives. Analysys doesn't just monitor media, it protects it at scale.